This time on this lesson, which is lesson 2, I will share with you kind of like the greetings, just general greetings that you would hear when you go to Zambia, or if you arrive in Lusaka. At the airport, you find people that speak this language, and I'll give you the greeting for general greeting, and I'll also give you a greeting for morning, evening, afternoon, or good night. Uli bwanji, uli bwanji, nili bwino kaya iwe, nili bwino kaya iwe. That's the first part of the greeting. And the person that responds nili bwino kaya iwe comes back and says, nanga iwe uli bwanji. Then the person that first said uli bwanji goes on and says nili bwino zikomo. So I'll say the whole greeting. Uli bwanji, nili bwino kaya iwe, uli bwanji, nili bwino zikomo. That would be the way somebody would greet you in Zambia. And we'll say it again. Uli bwanji, nili bwino kaya iwe, uli bwanji, nili bwino zikomo.